back to day 2. Let's take a brief look at what we have right now. We don't have any bubbles yet, and that is totally fine. It has sat for exactly about 24 hours. And essentially what we're going to do today is we are going to have about 37 grams of discard, basically taking away some of this and putting more flour, putting more water in. And where I like to be a little bit different, we're going to follow the recipe to a T right now, is I like to use more whole wheat flour. Some people don't, but I think it's great when it's activating. It will activate a little bit faster. Because right now you can't cook with this. This is just flour and water. This is starter. It just hasn't awakened yet. So without further ado, I'm probably going to fast forward this and put the measurements on the screen. But we're going to take some of this and throw it away. Look me in the eye. Look me with your special eyes. Do not put this down your kitchen sink. You will ruin your garbage disposal. You will ruin your sink. And that's not good. So please don't do that. If you're going to do it, please do it minimally. Otherwise, you're going to ruin your sink. Or if you live in an apartment complex. Just kidding. We're not going to say that. But yeah, we're going to speed this next part up. I'm weird because I like to clean out the jar every single time. You don't have to. It just makes it easier for me mathematically to put the right measurements in. This is a formula game. It's also, think of it as a child. You want to make sure that you're feeding it every single day around the exact same time. Around day 4, we're going to move to feeding it twice a day. So get excited about that. And here we are. Essentially from here, we are going to put 37 grams of this starter. So once again, make sure you are measuring with grams. Might be a little bit too much. It's kind of like a guessing game. One of those carnival guess the weight type of things. And we're at 29, 30. 32, so we need 5 more grams. That looks like 5, maybe. Oh, that was 1 gram. It was a hefty 1 gram. And maybe 37. 36. 36 and 2 quarters. Hey, 38. Cool. All right, next. We're going to be doing 58 grams of water, so go ahead and zero out your lovely scale. As I said last time, I like to use filtered water because Florida is disgusting. What did I say, 58? 58? Uh, 4 grams more. 59? 59? And this is where, like I said before, I like to do it a little bit differently, but we're going to stick to the recipe. It's 25 grams of whole wheat flour and then 25 grams of regular unbleached flour. I like to use bread flour, even though it has a lot more protein than normal, but we're going to do that. So, 25 grams of whole wheat. Perfect. And 25 grams of the bread flour. Perfect. All right. And now we do a little mixing. Making bread is fun. The annoying part of sourdough bread making. If I would have known what I know now on day 2, things would be a lot different. I think my favorite thing about making starter like this is when it's activated, you can just put it in the fridge, put it to sleep. Ooh, that sounds menacing. But it goes to sleep, and then you wake it up anytime you want to bake. So, all right, that's a good mix. And we are going to leave it for another 24 hours like we did last time. Put a little cap on it. And voila, I'll see you tomorrow, day 3.